Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're talking about how to use fencing to create stylish outdoor rooms. Whether you want a cozy nook or a private dining area, fencing can help define your space. Let's get started. First up, consider creating a cozy reading nook. Use fencing to enclose a small area with comfortable seating and some plants. This gives you a private spot to relax and enjoy nature. Next, how about a charming outdoor dining area? Enclose your space with decorative fencing and add a table, chairs, and string lights for a magical dining experience under the stars. Another great idea is a garden retreat. Use fencing to create a designated area for your garden. Add raised beds and seating to make it a serene space for gardening or enjoying the blooms. Don't forget about the kids. Create a safe play zone by using fencing to enclose a space for play equipment. This gives children a secure area to have fun while you relax nearby. If you have pets, consider a fenced area just for them. This creates a safe, designated space for your dogs or cats to play freely without wandering off. Tips for success. When creating these outdoor rooms, keep these tips in mind. Choose the right fence, select a style that complements your home and the purpose of your space. Incorporate landscaping, use plants and decor to enhance the area and make it inviting. Think about privacy, consider higher fences or lattice panels for added seclusion. There you have it. Using fencing to create outdoor rooms can transform your yard into a multifunctional oasis. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.